हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
This is Lord Krishna's name. And Lord Krishna is not different from his name. If you chant his name, Krishna, Krishna means the Supreme Lord, means the all attractive. You chant his name, you will feel no difference from the Lord himself. The Lord is personally present in his name.
प्रभु जी ने ताकि दी हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हाइब महामंत्र से कृष्ण मसाद खेत पड़ते अदना अखोना हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र से स्मरण अखोई भगवान कृष्ण
So Lord Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, how many of you